Hello, my name is Angie Vega. I am 25 years old. I live in very cold place in Caica, Cundinamarca. At the moment, I have dreamed that as soon as I finish my professional career, I want to exercise it to fulfill my goals and my great dreams. At this time, I work in company called Papa John's. I dedicate to make rich pieces and different silks and flowers. Each place where I work is very fine and very elegant. Yes, okay. I study food engineering and finally finished career. I few months, okay, my small history is I few months ago traveled with compatriots to to I'm sorry, no, I I study, pardon, oh, I'm sorry. I few months ago traveled with my parents to Munikia, Boyacá. They call the weird land because they make snacks. The weather is warm, very delicious. During today, it rained, but it can't weather. I recommend this place because it has exquisite climate. There are beautiful places and it is possible to eat many ways to warm you like. This place is full of various months kept is the truth when we were in Moniquira, feel the change of every month, and its people is freedom and warm. Recommendation 100%. I'm sorry, my pronunciation is bad, is good, and good day. Thank you. Bye bye.